Today we are going to share with you some very creative planter ideas that you can make from household items. So watch this video till end and subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon on so you never miss our upcoming design ideas video. So your home and garden are the places where you can be you and creative. So if you want to add a whim or beauty or some magic to your garden, then yes, in this video I have shared with you some really amazing creative planter ideas which you can create uniquely using all your old household items. Whether you have old shoes or buckets or wheelbarrows, even if you have old pair of jeans, you can also use that in creating your own DIY planter. Do you have an old dresser? Don't throw it away. Repurpose it to make a beautiful planter and grow trailing plants in it. Adding a birdcage planter to your garden is a great idea. You can even grow vines in it, hang it in the front of the house or on your balcony. It will look amazing and attractive. Yes, it's time to recycle your old wheelbarrow. The best thing about a wheelbarrow planter is that it is movable. You can move it when the weather is not favorable or to provide more light to your plants. The best way to use a tree stump or a big tree log is to make a tree stump planter or tree trunk planter. In this way you can grow your own favorite plants and flowerings in such planters, and you can bring your dead tree to life again. You can also make a chair planter out of an old or unused chair in your home. Wooden chairs are more suitable for such planters. Or you can also create a self-watering planter using milk jugs which you have in your trash area. If you have old tea-tin caddies and cans, make use of them to grow plants. Herbs and specifically the succulents are suitable for such planters. You can also use paint cans and tin cans which you often throw away. So I suggest you don't throw them away again. Grow plants in them, beautiful annual flowers or succulents, whatever you like you can plant. Or if you love to do something unique, make a shoe planter. Find out old and unused shoes and drill some holes in their soles for drainage and plant low maintenance plants in them. Bags and purses that are no longer usable can become beautiful soil holders. Most of them have perforation, so you don't need to make holes. Just fill in some dirt and plant a few colorful annuals and they are ready. Even you can use old light bulbs which you are not going to use again, or if you have an old bicycle standing in your garage, bring it live. Paint an old bicycle according to the style of your garden or leave it rusty and place potted plants on it. It will become a great focal point of your garden. Or if you want to add some spotty touch to your garden, you can go with it. If you have an old basketball or football, cut it from the top and fill it with soil. If there is a bladder in the football, remove it. Also, don't forget to make a few tiny holes in the bottom for drainage. Each and everything can be turned to a beautiful and attractive planter. The only thing you need is a little bit of skill and most of your own creativity, so you can give planters a personality you like. I hope this video is really helpful for you in creating new planters using your old household items. See you in some other video. Till then, take care.